welcome to my another video, and here I have the Samsung Galaxy A8's protection. For my Samsung new tablet, I'll be having a protector, and I teach you how to put it carefully. Make sure you don't break the, sometimes I understand. So I bought a red one because red looks satisfying to me. Inside the layer, it's kind of good, especially this one. Look. Yeah, if you put tablet, you will see what's going on. So here you see a hole. It's for the camera, and carefully take it and place it carefully. You just know, like, press it. Press like this. Whoa! Look at that. That looks like a computer, right? And let me show you. This one way you know about. It more look like computer. Look, this thing more look like a computer actually. More to me, it look like computer actually. That's kind of good. So here we have the charging port here. That makes sense. It's good. Now you could also close like this. While closing, you can also plug it to the charger, and the sound started. So actually. Now you can see, even I do this, yeah, but it's kind of good. See for yourself, kind of nice. So thanks for watching my video. If it's helpful to you by putting this on the tablet. If you like my video interesting, please do like and share, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And bye.